when you were when we were talking, what made you feel like we were the right fit for building the website?
I think like one of the things was how much time you invested before I even made the decision. Like there was so much relationship and trust building that made me feel like, number one, you really understood like what my website needed to do from like a counseling SEO perspective, but then also like, again, you weren't just like this group over here on the web reaching out to me trying to like make a buck. You guys were really like attuned to what the needs of my business are and really took time to get to know that and then built a website that really reflects what I'm trying to put out there. The website looks great. I'm so happy with it. Like I think, Nick, I was telling you, like some other group had contacted me saying like, hey, we'll do this for you. And the website was so bad. The copy was terrible. The images were awful. It didn't feel like a soft landing place for clients. It like the work that Paul's done looks amazing.
Did you have any kind of concerns before starting?
No, other than it's just, I think for probably a lot of business owners, it's hard to like hand something over to someone else and to not be in control. But you guys were also like very in touch with me throughout the whole process. So I also didn't really feel like I wasn't in control.
Well, now that your site's live, like how does the final site meet your original goals or expectation?
It's like 10 out of 10. Like it's great. It looks so good. It's so functional. I sent it out to friends and had them sort of like move through it and they're like, yeah, everything's great. Like it functions exactly as I wanted it to. It looks really great. It is that soft landing place for clients that I really wanted it to be. Like it's really great.
Is there a part of the website or process that really stood out to you? Or just the fact that it all was synergistic and it was all like a soft landing page?
Yeah, I mean, definitely like the design element that it looks like what I wanted it to look like, but definitely like Paul's attention to detail. Like he was really quick to respond and also like really on top of all of the details when I would send back feedback or say like, hey, all these little tweaks, and none of them were huge. Like it really, the first sort of draft really was already very close to what I wanted. So it was like sort of the little details. But again, he was like really on top of that.
You think with honest feedback, do you think there's anything we could have done to improve?
I mean, no, from like the previous experience I had, this is like 10 out of 10, so much better. Like good communication, easy to communicate with you guys. You respond in a timely manner. The attention to detail is fantastic. The actual outcome was great. Like, yeah. If
someone was on the fence, about working with us, what would you tell them?
I would probably tell them that it's a really good investment. And this is one of the things that like, I'm not an expert in, so why not hire the right people to do it? I mean, the website has not been live for a super long time, so I can't really speak to the results yet of anything coming in terms of the impact on my business, but I really feel confident that you guys have like done what you said you would do and that I'm going to start to see more traction. And so again, I can't speak to that piece yet, but I really think that in due time, I'll have all that information and say like, look at how well this worked out for my business, and look at how simple and easy and straightforward and reasonable and fair, and what a great collaborative process it was. Like it's kind of like a no-brainer.